All right, guys, one more quick video. This is still finding the midpoint between 2 points, but on the last video, and if you didn't watch the other video first, you might want to do that because I did 2 simpler problems. We're going to find the middle of 2 points where some of the coordinates have negative numbers. So again, I'm going to keep it really simple. I'm going to do a point right here, and then I'm going to go up right here. So you can probably already see it. The middle is going to be right there. But let's figure it out mathematically. So what we're going to do is we're going to identify this point on the bottom left, which is going to be -1, -2, and -2. So it's -2, comma, -2. That's this point. And this point is going to be 2, 2. So 2, comma, 2. Now, just like we did before, and it doesn't matter which way you do it, I'm going to say x and y up here, and x and y over there, and I'm going to give this one 1 and 1, and this one 2 and 2. And remember, this formula or expression on the left is the one you're going to use to find midpoint. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the numbers in. So I'm going to add -2 for x1. Actually, excuse me, not -2, but x1 is 2. And I'm going to add, now watch this, I'm going to add a -2. And I'm going to divide it by 2. But 2 plus a -2 is the same as 2 minus 2. So you get 0. So I get 0 divided by 2, which is 0. Put my parentheses. And then I'm going to add the two y's, y1 and y2. y1 is 2. And I get 2 plus -2 again. Cut that in half. I'm going to get 0 divided by 2 again. I'm going to get 0. And so that puts the middle right there. And you can see it looks about right. Exactly in the middle. Okay, let's do one that's a little bit different. Let's clear all this stuff out here. So, and delete. Okay, so let's do one that's completely random. I'm just going to put a point right here, and I'm going to put a point way up there. And now I'm going to figure out the coordinates of that point. So it looks like it's -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -6, and -2. And this point right there looks like a coordinate of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 6. Now, I have no idea where the middle is going to be other than it's going to be somewhere in there. So let's go ahead and do this. X, Y, 1, 1, X, Y, both get 2. Remember, you can reverse the 1 and 2 order. It doesn't matter. So now I'm going to come up and I'm going to add the x's. So I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to say I've got an x1 added to an x2. Going to cut that in half. And then I've got a y1, and I'm going to add it to a y2, and I'm going to cut it in half. Now when I drop the numbers in, you'll see how the negative signs work. So x1 is -6, and x2 is 8. And then when I add -6 and 8, I get 2, and then I'm going to divide that by 2 and get 1, put my parentheses. And then I'm going to add the y1 and the y2, and y1 is -2, and y2 is 6. So when I add -2 plus 6, I'm going to get 4. So that's going to be a 4 divided by 2, which is going to be a 2. And if everything worked out right, if I go to 1 and 2, whoops, really wanted to do that with red. Here we go. 1 and 2. Now, if I draw a line, it is right smack in the middle. All right, guys, that's the end of the video.